Hello students. In the previous video we have done what do you mean by business risk and characteristics of business risk. Today's topic is causes of business risk. Okay. Before understanding causes of business risk, we first understood and revised the meaning of business risk. Business risk refers to certain uncertain and unexpected events which may result in inadequate profits and sometimes even in losses also. Coming to the very first cause, that is natural causes. Now these are those causes by which risk arises due to the act of God and humans have no control over it. Say tsunami, earthquake, floods, these all causes a natural risk for that of the business. Coming to the second one, human causes. These are those kind of causes which are being done by the act of human, but they can be reduced and such causes can be easily controlled with proper planning and management. Say managerial inefficiency, theft, robbery, strikes, lockouts. These all are the causes which are coming under the category of human causes which gives rise to that of the business risk. Coming to the third one, that is economic causes. Economic causes includes topics like changes in fashion, change in taste and preference of consumers, change in technology, change in competition, or we can say increase in competition. These all will be coming as a part of economic causes, and these causes for the business risk may result in losses also. Coming to the last one, that is external causes. Now these are those causes for which we have not imagined at all, but they occur suddenly and just unexpectedly, like mechanical failures, busting of boiler, or we can say terrorism attack, political disturbances, political instability. These all will be coming under the case of external causes. So we have learned that business risk के 4 causes होते हैं. पहला cause natural cause होता है, ये God के द्वारा होता है, इसका human cause पे कोई भी control नहीं होता है. Example, tsunami, earthquake, flood. Second one is your human causes. These are being for the human beings and done by the human beings. Example, managerial inefficiency, strikes, lockouts. Third one, economic causes. These causes results in losses for the business. There may be increase in competition, change in technology, change in taste, change in fashion of the consumers. Last one is your external causes. These are very sudden and unexpected, say political instability, mechanical failures, terrorist attack. This will all be coming under the external causes. These all 4 causes business risk in our business environment. Okay, so we have completed with the causes of business risk. In the next topic, we're going to cover kinds of business risk.